Alright, we're out in Kentucky on probably one of the best driving roads in the area. And as you can see, we're in the Civic Type R. Done a little road trip out here this week. Went to the Corvette Factory, Museum, Maker's Mark Distillery. You can hear all the bottles rattling around in the back. This Type R is probably one of the best cars I've ever driven on a back road. It's just so sharp, so good. I've said it about 100 times. The front differential is magic. It just pulls you out of a corner, full throttle, boost comes on fast. We're in individual mode right now. We've got the engine and exhaust sound in plus R. We're on the Integra Type S dampers and the Falken FK 460 all-season tires.
Very impressive for all season.
Yeah, they're pretty good. Good performance all season. Good in the wet, good in the dry. And on first impressions, okay in the snow for an all season. It seems like after installing Integra Type S damper module that the exhaust valve is actually open in plus R mode engine sound, which is kind of neat because before it was throttle dependent, now it's drive mode dependent like the Type S is. The Hawk brakes that were terrible on track are actually fantastic on the street. Good initial bite. A little bit of complaining once we get some heat into them at lower speeds, at stop signs, stuff like that, but for the most part, pretty quiet pad too. Whole lot cheaper than the OEM pads, which are over $400 for the fronts. And things are getting extra twisty up here. You see that sign? That's one of my favorite signs out here. Though we are going to slow down for the locals. Elevation changes. Almost see your taillights on that one. Gotta watch out for these blind crests. It's fun to get out here after driving Michigan entrance and exit ramps for the last year or so. Figured out the trick. You gotta use Waze and avoid highways, and that'll put you on the best driving roads.
Waze calls them freeways, Google Maps calls them highways.
Okay.
Avoid freeways.
Avoid freeways, alright, that's it.
Friendly southern honk.
Yep. I recently made a video on the Toyota Tacoma, and it was out in Los Angeles in the canyons, and I said nothing out here is as fast as a Tacoma work truck on a back road, and that holds true out here in Kentucky, except instead of Tacomas we've got old Chevy trucks, Chevy Silverados. They go at a pretty good clip out here.
They know the roads well.
They do. Gears are popping. That's the end of the Backroads. That was fun.
Indeed. Yeah, tons of fun.
Thanks for coming along for the drive. We'll see you guys in the next one. Back home in Michigan on some entrance and exit ramps. It's fun while it lasted. We got some good little back road driving out here in Kentucky. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys later.